Hi and welcome to this video. This time I'm in beautiful Italy again, in the city of Bergamo, and I'm going to show you a room in a hotel that is so new that there isn't a lot of information out there. So I believe it might be particularly useful for travelers. I'm talking about the Life Hotel, which is located some 8 kilometers from the airport in the outskirts of Bergamo and basically next to a large hospital called Papa Giovanni XXIII. There is a bus and railway station nearby, so you can go to the city using public transport options. Anyway, this video focuses on the room, so it's in no way a complete hotel review. I'm in the room now. In front of me you can already see the main part of it. On the right there's plenty of space to store your luggage. While you can have a look at everything, let me tell you a couple of things about this place, some background information so to speak. First of all, the hotel was opened back in autumn of 2021, and for that reason it feels brand new. Interestingly, it is not part of an international hotel chain as far as I know. Yet it is operated in a rather professional way. Everything is state-of-the-art, it has many amenities including a spa area with an indoor swimming pool and a gourmet restaurant. According to my research, the hotel consists of 126 rooms. I booked this hotel more or less spontaneously after a quick search on the internet. Personally, I like to read some reviews on those booking platforms. Sometimes I look for videos on YouTube too. That's how my decision making is influenced. But how do you choose hotels? And what is the most important aspect that you're looking for in a hotel? My number one is hygiene. I want the rooms to be as clean as possible. That's the most important thing for me. I can forgive a lot, but there are not many things that I hate as much as dirty hotel rooms. In this case, everything was immaculate, but that came also with a certain price tag. I paid a room rate of €172.90 without breakfast. Considering that this place is rated as a 4-star superior hotel, I don't think that it was overly expensive though. Alright, let's go through the amenities of that room, and I'll give a little conclusion at the end of the video. A few words about this window here. You can open it, but before closing it you have to fully open it first, otherwise it will be damaged. Now, as said before, this hotel is located next to a train stop. But because of these sound insulating windows, my sleep was not affected by that at all. Overall, I liked this hotel. It deserves its good rating, and I think I will stay there again in future. Alright, that's it for this time. Many more videos are in production, and I'd be very happy to welcome you on this channel again, so please don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day wherever you're watching.